Hello and welcome, Math Aficionados. I'm Miss Rachel, and today we're diving into an exciting way to visualize and solve simple equations using bar models. And so, what are bar models? Bar models are visual representations that help us understand and solve equations by breaking them down into manageable parts. They're incredibly effective for making abstract concepts more concrete and easier to grasp. Now, in this video, we'll start by exploring the basics of bar models. We'll learn how to set up these visual tools and use them to represent simple equations. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve equations and find unknown values with confidence. Now, did you know that bar models are widely used in Singapore's math curriculum? This approach has been instrumental in helping students develop a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts. Are you intrigued? Stick around to uncover more fascinating insights in practical techniques. Feel free to drop your questions and thoughts in the comment section below. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe as next video we'll be exploring more exciting math topics. Bye and enjoy. Have fun.